Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial of how you can customize your desktop background just like mine here. It is very aesthetic as you can see. It's so good for the eyes personally and it's very organized. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel, like it and hit the notification bell for you to be updated. Guys, this is my first video so I hope that it will be successful and hope that you'll learn and enjoy. So without further ado, let's discuss the things that you need to prepare so that you can create a successful and a beautiful customization of your desktop. So number one is that you need to prepare a Rainmeter app. So if you don't have a Rainmeter app yet, you can download it here, just like what you can see in my screen. So just type in rainmeter.net and this is what will appear, and just click the download here so that you can have it. Once it's downloaded already, you can install it. Just follow the instructions. Another application that we need here is the Canva. Just type in canva.com and then you can also create your own account. Since I already have my account, then it appears here. And lastly, I would suggest that you also create your own account in Deviant Art. So just type in deviantart.com and then you can create your own account. So let's now proceed to the next step. After you prepare everything, so make sure that you already have downloaded the Rainmeter app. Make sure that you have already installed Rainmeter app in your desktop, and I suggest also that you will turn it on as a startup app, because sometimes if you will not turn it on, then the things that you can see here, just like this one, this is from Rainmeter, this one is from Rainmeter, this is also from Rainmeter. If you will not turn it on as a startup app, then this will not be appear. You need to open again your Rainmeter. So guys, now let me show you how does Rainmeter work. So let me just click on it and then manage skin. Okay, so Rainmeter is just like this one. So if you can see it here, I have here active skins. I have here 5. So 5. But when I first installed the Rainmeter app on my desktop, it only has one skin. I think it was only this one, the Illustro, and I don't really like this one because guys, I want to show you this. Just like this one. If I will load it, it is just like this one, and I don't like that, so I want to unload it. And then this one, disc is just this one. I don't really like that one. And then the Google, that one, search Google, I don't like that one. So all here in Illustro skin, I didn't want it, so I did not use it. So what I did is that I downloaded another skin. So now the question is, where can you download Rainmeter skin? So this time we are going to open the Deviant Art because you can search here some Rainmeter skins. So actually it's not only Rainmeter skins that you can see here. There are a lot of pictures that you can use. So for me personally, I only use this for downloading some Rainmeter skins. So you can search Rainmeter skins. So now you can see some Rainmeter skins here, and okay, this one catches my attention. I want to click on that. This will be the things that will appear in your desktop, the time as well as the date. And then this one, I think is the weather, and this one is the calendar. So this one's called the Sonder Rainmeter skin. If you want to download it, just click on that one, download. Since I already have this one, I will not download it. So when you click one Rainmeter skin, they will also give you another options that you can choose from. So let's say I want that one, so I will download it. So when you download it, it will appear just like this one. So it means that it is a Rainmeter skin. Okay, let's download another one. Let's say I want this one. So try downloading it and let's see if it is a Rainmeter skin. So yes, it is a Rainmeter skin since it has this icon here, and it's up to you what skin do you like. I have the Gina, the Gravo, the Illustro, the Calson, the Sonder. So I only have 5 plus the additional skins that I downloaded here. So the next thing that you're going to do after having all those skins that you downloaded is to try it first. Let's say for example the Gina skin, you want to try it first, load it first. Let's say the date, you want to load the date first. So since this is, I think this is the Gina. Yes, this is a Gina since it's gone when I unloaded it. So let's load it again. So you try all the skins that you downloaded so that you can think of how to style your desktop. Let's say for example, you're going to put your date here, your calendar here, your some codes here. So it's up to you. So when you already have chosen a skin that you will use for your desktop, then it's time for you to create your own wallpaper. So what I did here is that I went to canva.com. So this is where we can use the Canva application. Actually, you can search for some desktop organizers here. So let's just type in desktop organizers. Okay, so what will appear will be just like this one. Okay, so just choose what you like and then just customize it up. So what I did here is that I just chose whatever I like. Let's say for example I like this one, so I just chose this and then remove the things that I do not like and customize it. So let's say for example you don't like the notes here, so you will just remove it and then you will just leave it blank, because this is where you will put your date from the skin that you have chosen. And also if you want to remove it, it's up to you. For me, I don't really put to-do list in my desktop. And then let's say for example this spot is for your personal files, so you can customize also. Let's say you want to change it to personal files, or let's say you want to change it to folders, just like that one. And then you will just delete these things, because this is the spot where you will drag your folders from your desktop. And then calendar here, so if you will download this photo, calendar here will remain November, so this is not gonna be used also, so just delete it. So let's just delete everything. Let's say you like the picture here, so you just let it stay there. And then this one is, you will change it to, let's say, some applications. This is where you will drag your application, so I will show you that later. So let's say for example that's how it looks like, and you want to move it here. So that's how it looks like. So it's just up to you how you are going to customize it. I'm just randomly transferring these things here, but I don't really like that one, so I'll just show you how I did my designs. I'm going to show you how I did this desktop. So I have here my designs. I will just show you my designs. The name of this template is Beige Abstract Organizer Desktop Wallpaper. So let's try to see the original look of this one, and let's compare how I customized it. This is the one. Okay, so originally I chosen this one, but then I just customized it, and then I made it to like this one already. What I did here is that I just planned on how will my desktop look like, and then this one. Okay, so this one I created a shape, and then this one, this is from the original one, this one. I just copied it and pasted it, and then I just changed the colors of this like quotation mark. This one I just changed the color since I want it to be an aesthetic one, and it's a brown one. And then this one I got it from the original one, which is this one. I just copied this one. I just copied it and pasted it, and then changed the pictures. So pictures, I can just search for pictures here, just like what I searched there is aesthetic brown, and then many will appear, and then I just chose which picture will fit my theme here, and then these two are the ones chosen. Okay, that's it. And then for this one I just created a shape, and then I also created my favorite verse. I added my favorite first here, the Colossians 3:23, and then the first here. And then this one, if you still remember, this one was the space for my date, this one was the space for my calendar, and this one was the space for my code from the downloaded Rainmeter skin. So that's why I made it that way. And by the way, one of the things that I don't like here is that I kept changing it, because sometimes the icons of your folders of your application won't fit here in the shape. Sometimes it will overlap. You really need to make sure that it's perfect. It's a perfect fit, just like this one. Sometimes it will go like this one, so it doesn't fit. You really need to check if these shapes are okay, if the applications, if the folders will perfectly fit there. So once you're okay with that already, so you can already download it, save it as PNG. So if you're also like me, who can't be contented with one design, one color, you keep on changing, because let's say one day you like the brown one and then the other day you like another one. So I will teach you how to change the color. So using Canva, you can change the color. Let's just use this one because I don't want to change the color of this one, because I'm afraid I might not be able to go back to the original color of this one. Just use the violet one. Okay, you just click the background color and then you can add new color. So let's say for example you like it to be something a yellow, a pastel yellow. Okay, so you are going to choose the yellow, and then so by the way, I'm changing this one first, the main background. So it should be lighter there because it's the main background. So let's just say you've chosen that one, the color, and then this one should be darker, so just click on that one, and then same thing, you go to the yellow, and then we will choose a darker one. Okay, let's say you like that already, and then you also will change it, so it's really up to you. So I'm just showing you an idea on how to mix colors here, so it's really up to you. You can also explore. So this time, let's say you're done downloading your design here, you are going to make that as your desktop wallpaper. So let's say for example, I have here a lot of designs already. Let's say for example, I've chosen this one to be my desktop background. So let's say I will make it as a wallpaper. So just set it as a desktop background. It's that one. So if you can see, it's not really organized. It's overlapping. In short, it's very ugly. Let's just manage the skin and then try to unload everything that we have here. Unload this one also. Unload, and also unload this one. Unload. Since I've used this wallpaper already before, the shapes here fits the applications already, so I'll just drag the folders. Drag the apps. Then this one, this cannot be edited already. This cannot be dragged since I edited it in Canva. Okay, so after that, it's time to apply the skins that you have chosen. So let's just try to use the ones that I downloaded here. So let's try this one, the Laro, the Vacto. So you need to install it first, and And then also this one, you need to install it, the Vecto. Okay, so as you can see, these are the skins that I downloaded and I personally don't like it. So this one, you're listening, this is for music. Currently is, I think this is for, not sure. And this one, Facebook, my computer, Facebook, email, and I don't like that personally, so I'll just unload that one. I'll just unload the skin. I will just unload the skin, unload also this one. So I will just manage the skin so that I can really choose which one is the best. Okay, so let's try the Gina skin. By the way, I will unload it. Let's try the Gina skin. So let's say the date. Okay, this is the date. So today is. So if you think that one is okay for you, then it's up to you. But personally, I don't like it there, so I will just unload it. So let's go to Gravo. Let's look at its time and date. Okay, the time and date for Gravo is this one. By the way, you can adjust the size. So you can press and hold Control key while scrolling your mouse up and down. So up, down, so it's really up to you. Personally, I don't like it there, so I'll just remove it. I'll just unload it. So Gina doesn't work for this one. Gravo doesn't work for this one. Let's try Carlson. Let's try the date and time for Carlson. So load it. If you think this one is okay for you, then it's okay. But if you also want to try another one, then let's try the Laro. I think Laro is the new one, the Sonder. Let's try the Sonder. Okay, this is the calendar of the Sonder. You can place it there, or maybe you can place it there. So it's really up to you. If you want to unload it, just unload it. And maybe you want to try the time. So I suggest that you really explore on the application so that you can experience it yourself. So I'll just go back to my original wallpaper, to my original desktop background. So this is the one that I've chosen. So I'll just set this up. So I'll just set it as desktop background, and then it's there already. And then what I will do now is just to move the folders. Okay, that's it. And then choose my skin. So I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you learned from my tutorial and enjoyed it. And I would also love to read your comments in the comment section. And please do not forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell for updates. Goodbye!